Modern farming now begins inside controlled scientific environments. Every step inside is designed to protect precision. Here, vegetables grow under carefully measured conditions. Data guides every farming decision.
The process begins with carefully selected seeds.
Automation ensures consistency from the very start.
Life begins in perfectly balanced conditions.
Light is engineered for maximum growth.
Water and nutrients are precisely formulated.
The journey of scientific farming officially begins. Once started, every movement follows a planned path. Automation keeps the process continuous. Space is used efficiently through vertical farming.
Each level operates under identical conditions.
Human oversight ensures machine accuracy. Water delivery is timed to the second. Nutrition travels through engineered systems. Every condition is constantly measured. Data becomes the backbone of farming. The vegetables now enter their primary growth stage.
This is where science replaces traditional farmland. Every row grows under identical conditions.
Plant health is visually confirmed daily.
Roots thrive in oxygen-rich environments. Airflow keeps growth consistent. Even the air is scientifically managed. Moisture levels stay within strict limits. Every change is recorded and analyzed. Light cycles are adjusted with precision.
This controlled environment drives predictable growth. This controlled environment drives predictable growth.
As plants mature, conditions evolve with them.
Growth is measured, not guessed.
Machines adjust space as plants expand. Nutrition changes as plants grow. Water delivery remains exact. Moisture is carefully balanced.
Early detection protects the entire crop. protects the entire crop. Growth rates are continuously compared.
Small adjustments make large differences.
Support systems protect plant structure. Roots communicate growth efficiency. Oxygen supports rapid development. Light adapts as plants mature.
Density is managed for uniformity.
Nothing inside the factory is wasted.
Readiness is confirmed through data.
The harvest phase is now prepared. Cleaning begins immediately after harvest. Harvested crops now move into processing. Automation now takes control of consistency.
Cleanliness is verified twice.
Timing keeps the system balanced. Flow is managed without interruption. Cleanliness is maintained to the final stage. Moisture levels are carefully verified.
Consistency defines professional farming.
Portions are formed with precision. Accuracy is confirmed one last time. Finished products now face final inspection. Quality control is where trust is earned.
Every batch is visually confirmed.
Random sampling strengthens reliability.
Freshness is scientifically measured.
Food safety standards are strictly enforced.
Data confirms compliance.
Clean environments protect quality. The vegetables are ready for final delivery. The final stage prepares science-grown food for the world.
Packaging preserves freshness and structure.
Every package carries full traceability.
Transparency follows every unit. Accuracy is confirmed one last time.
Automation prepares products for transport.
Products are stabilized for safe delivery.
Freshness is preserved until dispatch. And this is how Korean scientists grow fresh vegetables using science.